It's not as warm as the shower or the bathtub.
Say, Mommy, are you ready?
I'm not ready, but do you want to step down one? You step down one. Okay, now Mommy's going to step down one more. And then I'm going to start to get my shoulders wet and my back wet. And then as I warm up, then I'll get ready, okay? Madeline, are you ready?
Yeah.
Woo! Swim, 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 swim. Woo! You want to climb up on your stuff? Okay. Oh, Mommy has to get her back wet. Oh, it's so cold. You want to step back in? You want to sit down and step in?
You crawl over the dolphin?
Oh, underneath the plant.
Say hi to dolphin.
This one broke.
Yeah, part of its tail broke.
He needs a Band-Aid.
Maybe, or some glue.
I think it needs glue.
I think you need some glue too.
I'm gonna go around to the other step.
You want to go into those steps? Okay.
Yes, Mama.
Yeah, it's a good idea to sit down because that first step is really big. You want to try to step down one more? Let's see. Can your feet reach to the bottom on the step? Should we do some bouncing?
Okay. Climb.
Let's do some bouncing. You want to do bouncing or you want to do swimming? Oh, you want to climb up? Climb up on Mommy? Oh! Oh!